We need 2 for bomb plant, we need 2 for ambush, and then we need 2 to assault this Connex village up top. Nate, you're going to be ambush team since you know where you guys are going as far as your location. Whoever has bomb, I'll take that off you. Thank you, sir.
Who's these?
Can you be my cover man at the bridge?
Me and Cody will take the ambush,
And then
ambush number 1 side.
that'll leave Cheney and Geoff to assault. Assault, clear that village, but leave the weapons cache. We'll all get set up, and then we'll let you know when to tip it off. You guys will also be secondary ambush. If the bomb doesn't work, if it's not timed right, you'll coordinate and you'll hit it as it comes around. All right, let's break.
All right. I'm gonna follow them most of the way. To be honest.
All right. Say if we can climb here, let's do that. Yeah.
Yeah, no, you can.
Yep.
Are y'all good over there, assaulting?
Bridge team is set.
I got eyes on, I see you. We're gonna hold here until y'all are needing us.
I'll keep clearing out
we'll
building.
come to assist. Ambush team is ready, and bomb team says they're ready, so whenever you guys are ready.
We are set, good to go. On you, assault team. Blow that cache. When you hear that bomb timed, you bail to the river.
Alright, let's button this up and get you folks
Okay,
home.
here we go.
Red
We're live.
smoke at your LZ.
It's moving in towards you right now, Kyle. It's coming up your direction. Pretty much right now.
We have them spawn over here next to us.
Hell yeah, brothers.